Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today's recipe is chili garlic prawns, and like always this is one of the healthier low calorie version of the regular chili garlic prawns that you have. But before getting started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and also for such yummy recipes, such healthy content on lifestyle and fitness and daily meal updates, stay connected with me on Instagram. So first take some clean prawns. I have taken around 500 gram of prawns. Add some salt and some sugar and soak it in water for around 20 to 30 minutes. This helps prawn retain its shape while we cook it. Now after 30 minutes, add 2 tablespoons of corn flour and 1 tablespoon of rice flour for the crunchiness. I am absolutely not using any maida here, so this makes it healthier. Add 1 teaspoon of pepper powder and some salt as per taste. You can also add some red chili powder at this point for a nice color, but I always avoid these things because I have to feed it to my baby as well. So red chili powder gives really a nice color to the prawns when we cook it. So do add it. Mix it very well so that the prawns are coated with this mixture. No need of adding any water, and keep it aside for 10 to 15 minutes. In a kadhai, take 2 tablespoons of oil. You can also take a pan or a non-stick pan. I generally avoid using non-stick pans, so all this is iron kadhai at my home. In that oil, put all the prawns with some distance apart and batch cook them. So you can see after 2 to 3 minutes of putting the prawns, you will see that the prawns will start curling up, which means that they are cooked now. And then you flip over to another side. You can see the nice golden color. If you add some red chili powder or soya sauce, this looks more red and better and attractive. So cook it for 1 to 2 minutes on other side. Prawns really don't take a lot of time to cook. You see, if the prawns are curling around, means they are cooked. They make a C kind of structure. Now the prawns are cooked. I cook it in batches and keep it aside. It should not be sticky. In the same pan, take 1 more tablespoon of oil. Add some chili, some chopped ginger and some chopped garlic. Let it fry for some time till it emanates a nice aroma. Then you add the bulbs of spring onion, or you can just add onion. I had this spring onion bulbs, and then add 2 to 3 cut onions. In these kind of Asian cuisines, onions really play an important role. It has this sweet, pungent taste which I really love, and I made this when I was really craving for some restaurant kind of food, and I made it this Sunday. And now you can add bell peppers. I had only green ones at home. You can also add the yellow and red ones. So the nice thing about these capsicum or bell peppers is it hardly takes any time to cook, and you should not cook it till it is completely mushy. Try to cook it while it still retains that crunch that really adds on to the taste. Add some pepper powder, some salt, and fry it for 1 to 2 minutes. In another bowl, let's make the sauce. Add some red chili sauce, some soya sauce. I use low sodium soya sauce because soya sauce is a lot of sodium and is not very healthy. Then add some tomato sauce. So the homemade tomato sauce recipe is also on the channel. Then add some honey. This really makes it sweet. You can also add green chili sauce at this point, but as said, I avoid lot of spice and chili because of my kid. Green chili sauce also makes it really yummy. Give it a nice stir, and as a good practice, always taste the sauce before you pour it. So in the kadhai now the capsicums are cooked. Add some spring onion, put the sauce and give it a nice toss. I love the taste of fresh spring onion. Even if you don't have it at home, you can skip it, but it really gives the authentic taste. Now we will cook the sauce for maybe 2 to 3 minutes and the vegetables so that they nicely mix. And next we add the cooked prawns. So remember that we will not cook the prawns for a long time, not more than 3 to 4 minutes in total, otherwise it will lose its crunch. Now I have taken 1 teaspoon of corn flour and mixed it with water, and I am pouring it so that the sauce becomes really thick and creamy and nice while eating. So let it boil just for 2 minutes. Add some sugar and some more salt if needed. And remember to serve, and some more pepper powder. Remember to serve this dish immediately after you cook so that the prawns are crunchy and yummy while you eat it. Give it a nice stir so that the flavors really infuse in the prawns. Top it up with more spring onions. And then at last add some toasted sesame seeds for an awesome crunchy flavor to this dish. Serve this with love to your family. So chili garlic prawns is ready. I generally serve it on a bed of rice noodles or just plain rice. Do try it and let me know how it was.